So this page is the Discover page, and it's one of the most useful pages around, other than the homepage, of course, and one that you should be looking at frequently, even if you aren't searching for anything. On here, it shows you all of the trending hashtags, sounds, and challenges that are happening right now. So Twitter does a similar thing with hashtags, like trending news, trending hashtags. This is TikTok's version, but it's a lot more powerful in my opinion. So some of them are sponsored by brands, some have been set up by TikTok itself, and some are just there for fun. They've maybe gained a lot of support in the community, and so TikTok have put them there, but all of them are there for a reason. So this is a great place to start when thinking about content you want to create. Is there anything you can make that will fit into these particular categories of hashtags or challenges? And if there is, make it fast, because these will change very quickly. So if you can make it as soon as you see it, then you're going to get a lot more reach and a lot more exposure. And that is kind of what the point of TikTok is. It's all about being fast, it's all about being dynamic and just creating things. But on this page, you can also search for particular things that you want to look at. Now, this search covers everything from hashtags to accounts to sounds to effects. So if there is a particular piece of music or an artist that you wanted to use as a sound in your content, you can search for them and you can see what they have, see the sounds they've put onto the system. Or if you want to follow a particular hashtag, or just see content under that hashtag, give it a search. You get the drill. One thing I will say is that searching for a particular video you've seen and really liked, but you didn't like it or didn't save it, trying to find it again is an absolute nightmare. The search functionality for TikTok does not work well for that. It's good for top level searches, like I say, searching for sounds and hashtags, but anything deeper than that, and it's impossible.